Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Cryptocurrency group Pro Charts. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys doing pretty good. Happy New Year to all. Hope you guys, when you guys go out tonight, you guys are vigilant out there. The world we live in these days ain't safe. So when you're out there having a good time, be really vigilant out there. And don't drink too much. That's my advice to you folks out there. Don't drink too much. Don't party too much. Be vigilant out there where you're going out there. Hope you guys have a great evening tonight. Let's get right into the chart. We're looking at NVIDIA, folks. NVIDIA had a rough day today. Rough day. We're on the CH21 chart. CH21 here. You could see I was talking yesterday about this trend line here. We closed above it. We need to maintain above this trend line, and today we didn't. We failed. We failed to close above 134.98. 134.98. And I'll say it, if we lose 134, we're coming all the way down to 132.08. 132.08. So we lost 134, 135 here, let's say. 134.98. We lost that. We came up, and we couldn't close above it, folks. Couldn't close above it. So since we lost that, right now in post, we're at 134.32 right now. After our hours tradings, 134.32. I'm expecting that number to come down for Thursday morning. Expecting this number to come down to 132, 133, 132. I'm expecting that number to come down. Right now, at post, it's 134.30. 134.30. So what can we expect for NVIDIA? We're in the downward trend. There's no way out of talking out of it. We're in a downward trend here for NVIDIA. So let's go from candle to candle. Let's go from body to body. So you can see we're in this triangle right here. And this ascending triangle. Which it doesn't mean nothing. It's not valid. We broke out, found support at 129, bounced back up. And see this trend line right here. This is the resistance line. So we here, you see we're tagged it and knocked it back down. This trend line's, we lost this trend line here, so this is resistance. So our next level is 132.08. 132.08. 132.08. Fibonacci telling us anything? Fibonacci saying we're at the zero. We're at the zero. So yeah, that's the 0 point. You're 130, 134. So we're right at it. We're right at Fibonacci 0.75. 0.5. I keep saying 0.0, but it's 0.5. Should be the 0, but it's a 0.5. We're at the 0.5 for NVIDIA, so we're losing a 0.5. That's a given because right now you can see the pulse is 134.33. We're just below the 0.5. So no matter what, we're losing this. And then the 618, and we're going out to Fibonacci, the 618 is just above the 132. So it'll be 132.53. 132.53 for the bounce. Like I said, so we'll keep the 618 or the 132.08. We lose these two. We're coming down 786. Next hope. So that's where this line here, 129.52, 618 or the 786, 129.99. So we lose this. Last resort's the 126.74. 126.74. Holy cow. 124.18. That's where we can see NVIDIA in the beginning of 2025. 2025, next year, which is in a few hours, will be next year. All depends where you're at. If your New Year's ready, you guys are already celebrating your New Year's Eve. But our New Year's Eve starts in a few hours, 5 hours to the countdown. 5 hours, 10 o'clock Central Time. That's where everybody wants to get out there drinking and getting all sloshy out there, you know? I want you guys to be vigilant out there. Be really vigilant out there. We live in a different type of world these days. It's not like it used to be. But you can see NVIDIA, for 2025, we're going to lose 0.5. 132.08 has to hold. It must hold. We don't hold 132, I'll be honest with you. We're coming to retest right over here. 129. Let's make this right there. Split the difference. 129.74. 129.74. That's we're going to retest for the bounce back up. And let's see. Every time we bounce off here, we found this one resistance. We broke it. But maintain it, broke it here, maintain it, found support here, broke through it, found resistance, came all the way down to $92. Holy cow. So this is a good support and resistance line. It's reacted pretty good. These level lines are pretty good. So all these support and resistance line, it's a good support line. It reacted back here to it. It played around with it. You know what I'm saying? So that's the quick update, folks. We lost the 134. We lost this right here. This 134.98. We lost that. 132.08 for NVIDIA for next year. Retesting 129.74. We could get a good bounce off that. Get a good bounce off this. We're up there now. We'll be back up to 140.27. 140.27. Our target price is 147.16, but we'll take it for next year. 140.27. We'll take it. All right, folks. That's all I got to say. Have a happy and safe New Year. Please hit that like button. Give me thumbs up, and we'll see you next year.